Telangana Jagriti Qatar Mahabadkamma event. Let's make this event resounding. Telangana Jagriti Mahabadkamma వేడుకకు స్వాగతం సుస్వాగతం. వచ్చిన పెద్దలకి అతిథులకి పేరు పేరున నమస్కారం. బతుకమ్మ అంటేనే ప్రకృతికి మానవుడికి ఉన్న సంబంధమే బతుకమ్మ. ప్రకృతిలోని పూలను కోచి బతుకమ్మగా పేర్చి ఆడవాళ్ళు ఆటలతో పాటలతో జరుపుకుంటారు. టీజేక్యూ వారి ఉద్దేశం ఖతార్లో ఉన్న ప్రతి ఒక్క తెలుగు వారు ఈ బతుకమ్మ పేరుతో ఒకటవ్వాలని, మీకు పండగ అనుభూతి కలగాలని కోరుకుంటూ స్వాగతం సుస్వాగతం. Our sponsors for tonight: Joy Alucas, Malabar Gold and Diamonds, Damas Jewellery, Daiso and Home Service, Manjunath Trading Contracting Services, Godavari Restaurant, American Hospital, Amron Battery, Lavish Beauty Lab, London Bakery. డప్పు కొట్టే వాళ్ళు ఎక్కడున్నా ప్లీజ్ స్టేజ్ వెనక్కి రావాలండి. డప్పు కొట్టే వాళ్ళు ఎక్కడున్నా ప్లీజ్ స్టేజ్ వెనక్కి రావాలి. You can pay 10 riyals and enroll yourself for a lucky draw. For non-members it's 15 riyals, and even if you go for Telangana Jagriti membership it's free.
గొట్ట నీకు నాకు వరుసగాదురో మాయదారి మల్లే వరుసగాదురో మాయదారి మాటలియ నీకు నాకు మాటలకరో మాయదారి మల్లే మాటలకరో మాయదారి మల్లే
It's a special festival of Telangana.
the beauty of Batukamma from our hearts. Good evening, everyone. I'm extremely delighted to have you all this evening for this Maha Batukamma celebrations on behalf of Telangana Jagriti team. Respected dignitaries, DCM Sandeep Kumar ji, A.B. Manikandan ji, Babu Rajan ji, Mohan Kumar ji, Prasad ji, Shantanu ji, Abraham ji, KK ji, Milan ji, Boban ji, Harish Reddy garu, Jagriti, Katha. The greatness of our culture can be found in its festivals. Today, we have gathered here to celebrate Maha Batukamma, which is celebrated predominantly in Telangana and few places of Andhra Pradesh. The festival unfolds with colorful flowers arranged in a stunning tower, symbolizing a harmony of life. Women gather to sing traditional songs, dancing around the Batukamma, showcasing their cultural heritage. Thank you so much for being the part of this program. May this festival illuminate your thoughts with positivity and happiness. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Pravina garu. Now I request TJQ President Sudha garu to deliver her speech and address the gathering.
Good evening, everyone. Andarki namaskaram, namaste, salam alaikum. Hope everyone will be doing great. A warm welcome to you all on behalf of Telangana Jagriti Qatar. It's an honor to us to celebrate this auspicious festival of Telangana with you all. We welcome to DCM Sandeep Kumar ji, ICC President Manikandan ji, Babu Rajan ji, and all dignitaries. Thank you so much for coming and give your support and welcome. Yeah, if you all okay, can I speak to little towards it? So today is our festival called Batukamma. So what is the meaning of Batukamma? So andarki telisindi entante we are decorate the flowers and we do the some music and songs. So Batukamma name ela vachindi. సో బతుకమ్మ నేమ్ ఎలా వచ్చింది అనేది ఒక 2 లైన్స్లో నేను చెప్తాను. నాకు తెలిసి అందరికీ తెలిసింది అనుకుంటా. తెలుసా ఇక్కడ ఎవరికైనా బతుకమ్మ ఎలా వచ్చిందో? పేరు బతుకమ్మ పండగకి ఏం చేస్తామో తెలుసు, బట్ బతుకమ్మ నేమ్ అనేది. సో ఒక 2 లైన్స్ చెప్తాను. స్మాల్ స్టోరీ. ఇది ఒక పురాణ గాథ అంటారు, అంటే మనకు కొన్ని ఇయర్స్ నుంచి వస్తుంది కదా. సో ఒక స్మాల్ స్టోరీ ఏంటంటే, ఒక రాజు రాణి ఉంటారు, దేవాంగుడు, అతని వైఫ్ పేరు సత్యవతి. సో దే ఆర్ వెరీ బిగ్ కింగ్డమ్ అండ్ వాళ్ళకి చాలా మంచి రాజ్యం ఉంటుంది, అంత బాగా దే ఆర్ వెరీ గుడ్ పీపుల్. సో తర్వాత వాళ్ళకి ఏంటంటే ఒక 100 చిల్డ్రన్స్ ఉంటారు, కుమారులు, అందరు బాయ్స్. వాళ్ళందరూ ఒకసారి అంటే తండ్రి అడుగుజాడు నడుచుకుంటూ వాళ్ళతోనే ఉంటారండి, చాలా చాలా మంచి వాళ్ళు. బట్ పక్కన శత్రురాజ్యం ఉంటుంది, దే ఆర్ ఫైటింగ్ రైట్. సో తర్వాత వాళ్ళు వచ్చి వీళ్ళ మీద అటాక్ చేస్తారు. ఎంత అంటే చాలా భీకరంగా ఫైట్ చేస్తారు, చాలా ఘోరంగా. సో దానివల్ల 100 కుమారులు చనిపోతారు. చనిపోయిన తర్వాత 100 కుమార్స్ చనిపోతే అప్పుడు రాజుకి అనిపిస్తుంది, వై మేమెందుకు ఇంకా మా కుమారులు పోయారు మేమెందుకు. సో నేను అంతా వదిలేసుకొని అడవిలోకి వెళ్ళిపోతారు. ఎవరు? అతని భార్య దేవాంగుడు, సత్యవతి. అడవిలోకి వెళ్ళిపోయి వాళ్ళు తపస్సు చేస్తారు, మెడిటేషన్. సో వాళ్ళు ఎంత మెడిటేషన్ చేస్తారంటే చాలా ఎక్కువ డీప్కి వెళ్ళిపోయి చేసేస్తారు. ఎందుకు మేము ఉండాలి అంతా వెళ్ళిపోయిందని. వాళ్ళకు వెంటనే లక్ష్మీదేవి ప్రత్యక్షం అవుతుంది. సో ఎందుకు మీకు ఇంత తపస్సు చేస్తున్నారు, మీకు ఏం కావాలి అంటే వాళ్ళ స్టోరీ అంతా చెప్తారు. అందరూ 100 కుమారులు చనిపోయారు, సో ఎందుకు మేము అందుకే ఇలా అడవిలోకి వచ్చి మాకేముంది అనేసి చెప్తారు. అప్పుడు ఏంటి లక్ష్మీదేవి ఒక వరం అనేసి అంటే వాళ్ళు ఒకటి నా కుమారు లేరు కాబట్టి నువ్వే నా కూతురుగా పుట్టు అనేసి అంటారు. ఓకే తదాస్తు. సో దెన్ 1 ఇయర్ తర్వాత సత్యవతికి పాప పుడుతుంది. ఆ పాప పేరు అందరు ఆ చుట్టూ ఫారెస్ట్లో ఉన్న ఋషులు వీళ్ళందరూ వచ్చి నామకరణం చేస్తారు. చూడగానే ఆమెను బతుకమ్మ దీర్ఘాయుష్మాన్ భవ ది బ్లెస్, వాళ్ళు అలా బ్లెస్ చేస్తారు. సో అప్పటి నుంచి ఆ అమ్మాయి పేరు బతుకమ్మ. నన్ అదర్ దెన్ షీ ఈజ్ లక్ష్మి. సో ఆ తర్వాత ఏంటంటే ఆ చుట్టూతో ఉన్న ఎటువంటి ఫారెస్ట్ మొత్తం పూల మొక్కలతో అయిపోతుంది.
Now sir to address the gathering and give us his words of encouragement.
Hello. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Chief guest of the evening, DCM sir, Sandeep ji, the president of ICC, the ICC advisory committee, our action committee chairman, Mr. Baburat, and all the ex-com here, and dear friends from various associations. It's a great pleasure to see all of you here, and it's a wonderful evening for all of us. It's a matter of what we are celebrating, not only ourselves, but all of you are part of this celebration. Thank you very much for gracing this occasion. This particular function is done by two associations. One is Telangana Jagriti and the other is Telangana Pragyasati. These two associations, they do it. People go there, people come here, both of them here. But they do differently because these are primarily Telangana associations. So we all need to, we request you to the other 11th also there is a program. Please grace them. It's more or less, it's for the women who wait for this function all year to put all their, you have seen very clearly because they keep it completely in-house. And then when they come to this function, all 9 days you will see them with special ornaments which you have never seen all the year. They don't wear them, but this particular 10 days, they wear so much. It's not to show, it's to show their pride, to show their happiness, to show their festival feelings that we are celebrating all the 9 days. I'm very thankful to all of you for joining us. Please, let's not waste our time, and we have a lot of programs are there. Thank you very much. On behalf of Jagriti, I invite all you people. Thank you very much. Welcome you all. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Your words are truly inspiring. Sir, please be seated. Now I call KK Garu on stage to share his thoughts with us. Welcome, KK Garu.
Andariki Namaskaram. All today, our DCM chief guest of the evening, he studied in Andhra. He knows Telugu. Thank you, sir. Thank you for coming, and all the guests are here. And let us celebrate. I am not going to repeat whatever has been said. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your inspiring words. Next, I call upon ICC President Manikandan sir on to stage to share his thoughts with us. Please welcome, sir.
Respected our DCM Sandeep ji, other community leaders and dear friends. Good. Dear friends, I think we are coming from a great nation. Our message is Aditi Devo Bhava. So I think when somebody in this stage, not for me, other chief guests are going to talk. It is a minimum courtesy to keep silence here. If anybody wants to go talk, please go outside and talk. We need to keep minimum some courtesy. I'm very happy to be here. I think last all the years, I have attended Batkama program of Telangana Jagriti. Nandini ji was the first president, I believe. From that day itself, I was a part of this wonderful festival. As Prasad ji mentioned, all beautiful ladies are coming with a good costume, wearing all the ornaments, and with a beautiful smile. That energy and beauty is transferring to all of the people, all of us. That's why it's a wonderful occasion, I believe. The second thing, I would like to thanks to Telangana Jagriti and Telugu community, because now your first president is part of Indian Cultural Center, Nandini ji. I would like to thanks to you because you given a good community leader to work for Indian community to Indian Cultural Center. With proud I can say that now, whatever duty, whatever responsibility we assign to her, there is no doubt she will do with her full effort, and we don't need to think about that. I believe that capability and ability she earned from Telangana Jagrati. So a big thanks to team Telangana Jagrati. Thank you Nandini ji for supporting Indian Cultural Center and Indian community. As these more ladies are here, I would like to mention one thing which ICC is dreaming with the leadership of Nandini ji. All of you know that ICC is having a women's forum. Nandini ji was the president of that. Now she moved into ICC management committee, but still she and Gargi ji is taking charge of ICC women's forum. They are conducting so many programs. Out of that, now we are dreaming something different thing. We are going to make an expert committee. Not only, thank you all.
Thank you, sir. Insights will be taken and followed, sir. Thank you very much for being here on our special day. Now it's time. It's time we specially thank him because when we approached him to grace our function as chief guest, he instantly agreed. Please join me in welcoming our DCM Indian Embassy Shri Sandeep Garu on stage. Pravina Garu, escort, and Sudha Garu, please do the honors for the sir. I request Babu Rajan sir to join on the stage for small felicitation. Madan Garu, please do the felicitation.
My dear friends, I know this is not the venue for speech because September 15, we started celebration from Onam. Still going on. Yesterday we attended the Yamnamki program and today there is a Telangana Jagriti program and tomorrow Gujarati program. Like Doha started dancing, so I don't want to take your time. So we will celebrate today's event also. In my feeling, this is fifth program I am attending every year as an annual event of Telangana Jagriti. So thanks to dear team, we will be there with you all the time. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now I request DCM Indian Embassy Shandip Garu to say to address the gathering and give his insights about the event. Thank you, sir. Thank you for coming.
Can you hear me? Can you hear me there? आप सुन पा रहे हैं? Can you hear me there? नमस्कार. First of all, मीरू अंदर को नमस्कारम. Babu Rajan ji has given me a warning. This is not a time for speech. Thank you for that, Babu Rajan ji. Let me first of all, मीरू अंदर की महा बथकुम्मा शुभ आकांक्षालु. So while I was seated here, I got to learn a lot about this festival. I lived in Visakhapatnam for 5 years, but I think that part of Andhra, I never came across this event. We never saw celebrations across. Maybe I missed it, or maybe some parts of the city or the state was celebrating. I was not aware. So it's an eye-opening for me today, and I'm really grateful to Telangana Jagriti Qatar for learning this kind of awareness upon me. So thank you so much, Telangana Jagriti Qatar. While I was sitting here, I was also thinking to myself and wondering that we have a counterpart of Onam in Telangana. It's called Batakumma. So it's 10 days of Onam and 9 days of Batakumma, which in my little understanding, I think it's both represent prosperity, both represent purification, both represent forgiveness, both represent celebration of unity in diversity, which is also kind of the central theme of our constitution. India is a unique country. We all fathers, the constitution, the fathers of our nation has bestowed upon us some certain values. So this is a reflection of, it's not just a mere socio-religious function or a gathering, but it's a combination of the principles and ethos that we espouse, and we have to strive to work together to achieve the objectives that has been set forth by our forefathers, founding fathers. Every country has a national character. So our national character is also defined a lot by these, celebration of events, celebration of this kind of, festivals, which bring about this sense of pride that we always have with us. So Batakumma is again, as Madam Sudha, thank you so much for spreading this awareness and light upon us, that how it came across to be celebrated not just in Telangana but among the Telugu speaking population of that entire region, including Andhra and Telangana. So everyone who speaks Telugu, they are celebrating Batukamma. So that's a great thing. Thank you so much for letting us know that. Batukamma, she told us that it's not just a mere festival. It's kind of a purification. When the flowers are put into water, the water becomes pure. And I think so. What I foresee, or what I not foresee, but what I visualize is that if we put in, good principles and values into in our existence, into our coming generations. Manikantan ji, thank you so much for being here. She is the, she is the powerhouse behind this function. She has been working hard and it shows. And she works hard not just, for the sake of name or anything. She works with a smile, so that makes the difference. If you don't enjoy what you do, if you don't have that sense of ownership in what you do, it's a mere task. It's not a work which you take pride in. So thank you so much, Nandini ji, for taking pride in what you do and for arranging this. The entire team of Telangana Jagriti Qatar, Madam Sudha ma'am, Prasad Rao ji, big thank you to you for steering this community for so long. I of our university, on behalf of our ambassador, on my own behalf, I wish you all a very, very happy Mahabata and a very, very happy evening. Thank you all for joining here and giving a meaning to this festival. Without people, without all of you coming together in such beautiful costumes and jewelry. So that jewelry, so I guess that you have 9 sets of jewelry at least. So wear through the 9 days of the festival. And I would pray to God and goddesses that your jewelry keep increasing and you continue to wear more and more better and better jewelry and costumes. Thank you all. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. That's truly inspiring. Exactly, every Indian festival resembles something. Now I request Mohan Garu to join on the stage. Mohan Kumar sir, please join us on the stage. అందరూ సైలెంట్గా ఉండాలండి. పెద్దలు మాట్లాడుతున్నప్పుడు మీరందరూ సైలెంట్గా ఉంటే రెస్పెక్ట్ చూపించినట్టు. వాళ్ళు మన కోసం టైం తీసుకొని వచ్చి దే ఆర్ డూయింగ్ సంథింగ్, యూ హ్యావ్ టు బీ, ప్లీజ్ కీప్ సైలెంట్. సైలెంట్గా ఉండండి. I request Deepak Shetty sir to join on the stage, please. Deepak Shetty sir, please join on the stage. Welcome sir. Welcome to TJQ Mahabatakamma event. This is a small token of appreciation from Telangana Jagriti Qatar. Huge round of applause, please. I request Abdul Rahman sir to come onto the stage. ISC President Abdul Rahman sir. Welcome sir. Welcome to TJQ Qatar Mahabatakamma event. This is a small token of love and appreciation from Telangana Jagriti Qatar. Thank you for taking your time and coming for us and attending the event. Thank you sir. Thank you for each and every dignitaries who has taken some time to join us for celebrating this festival of Telangana. Huge round of applause, please. Your applause makes them happy, who has taken lot of time and effort to be there on our festival. In the world of diamonds and in the world of diamonds and gems, we have found our diamond. Any guesses? Any guesses? Who is that? Who is that? She is a women behind women empowerment, women behind all of us. She is none other than TJQ founder Nandini Garu, who is also ICC Women's Chairperson and Cultural Head. Thank you for empowering us. Thank you for always supporting us.
Good evening everyone. Andarki namaskaram. Thank you so much for gathering here for Batukamma celebrations. I especially would like to thank our chief guest of the day, Sandeep sir and Mani sir, EP Abdul Rahman ji, Babu Raj ji and Boban ji from ICBF, Mohan ji, Deepak Shetty ji, of course Abhishwa Pitamaha, Prasad Garu, KK Garu, Shantanu ji, yeah, Milan ma'am and Ramesh ji, thank you so much for your support, and TK's President Harish Rao Garu, Harish Reddy Garu and Purni Bai, Ilambari, Gargi and Avinash Bai, Elena. thank you everyone for joining us, and especially Shankar Garu. He's MC of ICBS, and Nawaz Garu. Thank you all for joining us. Actually, we requested sir to join us for the program, but he was fully packed with other commitments. So we all together as an MC, we went and requested him if we can make out some time and grace the occasion, we will be grateful. And immediately he said yes. But for that he has to cut down some time. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. We are really grateful, and it's a pleasure having you here. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, Nandini. Keep inspiring us more and more and keep achieving more and more. Now, TJQ XCOM, please join on the stage for a photo session. Let's commemorate this moment with a photo session. TJQ XCOM, please join on the stage for the photo session with the dignitaries, please. TJQ XCOM. Madan Garu, Madan sir, yes. Thank you each and everyone. Chairs to be removed.